Just wanted to show you what I do for breakfast every day. So what we have is we have already started chopping this up, but this is bacon, and I have my little fry pan. Take my bacon, chop up a bit of onion, I only eat sometimes once a day. And garlic, always like to add a bit of garlic, and pop that in my fry pan. And if you're wondering what the toilet paper is, I use this, like most Thais do, for serviettes. In the West, we waste a lot. And I use my fork to scoop. So I'll chop my avocado up. That makes it easier. We squash. Mashed avo. Tomato. I don't have a lot. Delicious. Our eggs. Pepper on my base. Now I dip my egg. There's my coffee. So check this out. Sticking around the edges more than it should. And then we put that there. Boom. Now look at that. Bon appetit. Avocado bacon egg.